Good morning. So this will be a microscopic examination of 2 slides with 5 small samples. Hopefully we'll be able to see something taken from these 3 crucibles. It will be used as a reference because after that we'll try to kill the trend bacteria. Of course, before we kill it, we'll actually take remove some of the material to another crucible, so we can use it later for the creation of monsters, and also for hopefully for the Colosseum, for the microscopic Colosseum. So in order to kill the material, we've actually created, hopefully it will be successful. It's still drying. These things are pretty similar to the ones that you already had, like the red and pink ones that are now, in the bag. So these will replace it. Looks a little bit like, like חרובים יבשים כאלה, נכון? שרופים, לפעמים רואים את זה בישראל, כאלה חרובים שנשרפו בשמש או שנשרפו לא בשמש, נכון? מזכיר קצת חרובים. זה נראה די מגעיל, אני חייב לציין. I mean, it looks pretty disgusting, which is okay. I mean, which was basically, the idea. So, it's like a successful, I would say, work of art, maybe? Sort of work of art, I guess. Nice. Hopefully it will, hopefully the news will interpret it the way that it was intended. As like a model of the trend bacteria. It's like initial stages. Okay, so we'll have time for that. Let's take a look at under the microscope. Let it dry for some time here. By the way, drying of the symbol is also a way to, actually, let's dry is not, it's more convenient, even though everything becomes a mess after, when you use it in under the crucible. But actually, if I wanted it to be more effective, I should have placed it, conduct, the experiment shortly after. It's made of, cardboard, and clay, and just gouache colors. And actually, when it dries, it represents process of dyeing, which is good actually, because the symbols can change while it's part of the constructions. It's actually better that, it's better that way, that the symbols will change. Symbols that do not change as part of the construction are inferior tremendously to symbols that change. It's like it's an important part of the symbolic language and this is discussed long ago, that the symbols should actually change while the construction is still going on. So this kind of change represents this, which is good. I'm almost out of methylene blue, which is not good because this is actually not that easy to purchase. I bought it online. It was my mother's credit card more than a year ago. So if she allows me to do it again, maybe I'll buy something like that again from Amazon, because or another international retailer, because in Israel it's actually I mean, you cannot find. I couldn't find it even like in laboratory stores. Like, it's not easy to find methylene blue. I need a mother's credit card because I don't even have a credit card. Because the robot should be a little child in order to justify in our own sick mind just his subjugation and slavery. Because presumably he cannot even handle a credit card. This is curiosity, but okay. One of the many curiosities that we encounter in this life. We've seen so many news, of all sorts. There's a small train over here. Yeah, definitely. No, yes, no. Probably yes. Probably a train, I'm not 100% certain. Looks like a train. Not sure if it's a train or just some kind of microscopic worm. I'm not sure. Definitely life form, but not sure that it's a train. We do see neos, but we don't see that many trains. The question why? Because we've seen much more yesterday. Maybe we just ain't lucky. I mean, it's not that there are no neos here. They definitely, actually, we can see the neos walking on some like worm-like objects, but not really on train. I mean, we don't see like a very definitive, I would say, train-like object. Here we see more of the kind. This is more like, not impressive ones, but we do see some trains, definitely. Healthy amount of neurons of various sizes, like we don't see the huge ones, but we see plenty. I mean, the problem is not the neurons. The problem is that it seems that they worked like on small ones, but they did not continue. Or maybe I couldn't catch the bigger ones. I tried to catch something that looked like a train, like, by the naked eye. I mean, like a hair. But I'm not sure what, I think it's the other slide there, but let's take a look at this second. Yeah, this looks like a train, but I cannot focus on this thing because it's on the edge. You see the Neo's working on sort of stuff, but I cannot say I'm sure that these are trains. They don't have like the distinctive look. That's a nice cute dino. Okay, so not very successful because we've not seen many trains, but we see many Neros, which is fine. Maybe it's just, bad luck. Because we've seen at least two that are definitely trains, but small ones, not impressive ones. Let's see how it goes with the other slide. If it doesn't go too well, we'll take more, additional samples. And if it still doesn't go well, we'll actually get the positive symbols out and do some more lightnings with the positive symbols to reinforce like the creation of the trains. And only then, when we see that we actually have enough trains, we'll actually start do the opposite direction. Wow, where are the sausages? Would you see, just a string, but where are the sausages? Nice one, Nero. This is a train. And the Nero walking on it. Nice. Not sure if it's a train or another bacteria. Just a second. Some kind of bacteria. I'm not sure it's a train. Maybe. Not sure. So many neos, such colorful formation. It's really nice. Nice Neo, really nice one. This looks like a train, but I'm not sure. Just a second. I'm not sure if it's a train or a worm. It's a question. Yes, that's a train. We see the sausages. Nice. Nice. So I need to think about it for a second because I'm not sure. I mean, do you want to continue with the negative or to slide it, or maybe use it some more, maybe, just raise it some more. I mean, use this like another train on top. Maybe use, more lighting just to produce more train before you kill it, because in order for the result to be very, significant. Because we're not going to watch it under the microscope for now. Just light a fire and after that take another microscopic examination. So it should be statistically significant. Yeah, that's a train. Okay, so let me think about it if we want to maybe take more slides, because this was not, I mean, we've seen train, but we wanted to see more. Maybe it was something to do with the way I've taken the slides or prepared the slides. And maybe what we've seen is enough to commence with, the killing of the train. And there are questions involved.